Okay guys, welcome to a quick video on how to drive the Lamborghini Revuelto. Well, as you can see, we're already on the highway, but a few things just to orient you. We have our drive mode here, and you can see Strada, Sport, and Corsa. To the left is Città, which is for electric mode. On the right, you have Recharge, Hybrid, and Performance. So I'm going to just demonstrate a few of those for you. If you go to the left, down there, you see we just went into Strada. Left again, we went into electric. The engine just went off. Back into Strada, then to Sport, and then to Corsa. And so each of those also have their own driving modes where we could either be in Recharge, which maximizes charging of the onboard battery. This is a hybrid system. Or you can be in Hybrid or Performance. I tend to like, I think it's the most engaging overall, is Sport and Performance. That's how I tend to like to drive this car. But oftentimes you'll see us in Hybrid mode. Below, you have the bar. You can raise and lower it. And then you also have the height of the bar while you're moving. Here we have the lifting system, if you press on the center, but also you can change the dampening of the car by going soft, so it kind of takes the bumpiness out of the road, or hard, a little bit firmer. And that's those buttons on the steering wheel, at least relative to the driving mode. You have your turn signals are here. You have your passing there. We've got high beams, low beams, and of course the wiper function here. Now you also have the ability to change the view on the dashboard that's here. You know that we have CarPlay here, but you can also swipe. We have a passenger system over there as well, but you can change the view above here, and you're going to see that I can put CarPlay in the center. I could put our navigation approach in the center here. Let me show you a few more things. But just a quick view of the options that you have here. Let me go navigation. You're going to see the navigation system will show up in the center block here, but because I'm running CarPlay, that's what's going to take over. Anyway, quick view, driving in the Revuelto, following a Gallardo Superleggera. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Go ahead and subscribe, hit notifications. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Oh, that sounds so good. Those pops and crackles. This thing is now fully broken in, and we can go to 9,450 RPM is our red line. Wow.